So next we're going to construct an octagon, which remember has 8 sides. And we're going to do it given the distance across flats. So that means the octagon is going to be on the outside of your circle. So if you're given the distance across the flats, all you do is create your line. So this would be like line A, B, find your center, and then create your circle given your diameter, which is the distance across flats. So I already have it here for you for this practice round, but you may have to do it later. So after you have your circle created, all you're going to do is get your 45-degree triangle. So here's mine. And it's going to be basically the same thing that you did with the hexagon, but we're going to be using the 45-degree triangle. So on this quadrant right here, let's go ahead and break it up into quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on this quadrant, you're going to line up with a straight edge with your 90-degree angle, and your hypotenuse is going to be what you line up tangent to your circle. So for quadrant 3, I'm going to line up along this straight edge and just keep going down until my hypotenuse is tangent to quadrant 3. Just like that. Same with 4. This one might be a little harder, but line up with a straight edge, get your hypotenuse tangent to quadrant 4, and then quadrant 1, line up tangent to it, quadrant 2, get your straight edge, line up tangent, just like that. And then once you get this box around it, you're just going to line up to point A, B, and let's do C and D. So line up your hypotenuse tangent to point A, point C, point B, and point D. And after that, you can darken your edges. So I'm not doing a very good job of making straight lines, but there's your octagon. And as you can see, if you're given a square like this, you could also just draw a circle and then go throughout the same process. So you might also be asked to create it within a square. So the square is going to have your diameter. You just need to have or create your circle within that square, and then you create your octagon on the outside of it. But that's how you create an octagon with distance across flats or circumscribed.